Fluffy slime?
Yeah!
Okay, so you need shaving foam, contact solution, you need baking powder,
Mommy, this is eyebrow salon.
glue,
This is eyebrow.
a bowl, and some food colouring.
Free coloring, free coloring.
So, with your bowl,
Yeah.
can you put in some glue, please? Let me open it for you. Put some glue in. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, now get the shaving foam. Spray that in there. Okay, add some water, please, Savannah. Just a little bit. And that's enough. Okay, give it a good mix, and I'll add some baking powder in.
Getting slimy.
Getting slimy. Keep mixing.
Okay.
Right, now we need to put this in.
The eyebrows?
Yeah, so contact lens solution. Did it? Okay, and add some green in, please. Just a little bit, not too much. No, in there. That's it. Okay, you made pink slime.
Stay fluffy.
Is it fluffy? Oh, you're pouring it out. Oh. A lot of slime. It's really easy to make, wasn't it? Is it fun?